So if I go into my classroom here and I scroll down to Language Arts Assignment 3, and I take a look at who it's been assigned to, I see that one of my students has no attachments and the other has the template that's been attached, because in the instructions, I actually have that template there. And so if a student accidentally deletes it, you're right, there's no warning. They click the X, it deletes it right away. What you're going to have to do is just instruct your student or tell all your students how to reattach it. So I'm going to go over to my student side. So here I'm a student within my example classroom. I'm going to scroll down to assignment 3, and I'm going to click View Assignment. Now, this is the place where I deleted it accidentally. Now, 2 ways that I can re-add it. The first is if I haven't started the work, I can just click Make a Copy, and it will re-add that template like this. And now it's added back in as an attachment. So if I go back to my teacher side here and refresh the page, I see that both students have that attachment, so that one who was missing it is now reattached. Now, the second way is if a student has already started working, they don't want to restart their work on this copy. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete the template that I just copied, and instead I'm going to go to Add or Create, the button just below, and I'm going to click Google Drive. Now, it should probably be in a student's recent files if they had been recently working on it. Otherwise, they'll have to search around for it. This one here is the copy that I just made. I see that there's no work on here. But if I scroll a little bit below, I see that here, this is the one I was working on yesterday, and I already have some work there. So I'm going to click Add. And then it just takes a moment to re-add to this file here. And so even if it hasn't been turned in yet, on the teacher side, I can still, I'm just going to hit refresh here, and I'll still be able to access that student's work in progress, creep in and take a look on it, or add feedback. You might be able to see here that there's actually text here indicating that this project was a work in progress. Hope that helps. Thanks.